we have a decent normal life, which is kuti Zimbabwe zviri kuitwa vari kutanga kunumber 10 instead of vatange kunumber 1. Zvekuti vanhu vari kupiwa mota vanko. Firstly, the sad part of it, havasi kupiwa, these cars are not going to be serviced for free. These cars are not going to be filled in a fuel for free. It's being left kune vanhu vari kupiwa mota. Saka unobva uda kufunga manje kuti, okay, so if we give the cars, what happens next? Not getting into details, kuti roads are actually very poor, the congestion, munhu esachapiwa mota, because it's not going to end today. It's going to carry on this issue. So you'd see kuti ZANU-PF iri kuita zvinhu izvi isina care, because chiri kurwadza ndechekuti in 20 years ED anenge asisipo anko.
Citizens across Zimbabwe are raising strong concerns over the growing trend of car donations made by President Emmerson Mnangagwa and his political allies. Many argue that the practice is out of touch with the harsh economic realities faced by ordinary people, and they question why expensive vehicles are being handed out when the nation continues to struggle with deepening poverty. Recent public events have showcased the distribution of high-cost vehicles to traditional leaders, ruling party structures, and selected groups. While government officials praise these donations as efforts to support community leadership, critics say the gestures highlight misplaced priorities at a time when essential public services are underfunded. Voices from civil society, social media, and urban and rural communities point to unresolved national challenges: hospitals lacking basic supplies, schools without adequate resources, rising food prices, and ongoing wage struggles affecting teachers, nurses, and other workers. Many citizens ask how leaders can justify giving away cars when millions of Zimbabweans face daily hardship. The central question being raised is the source of the funds used to acquire these vehicles. Critics argue that if state resources or politically connected funds are being used, then the donations signal a misuse of national wealth and a lack of transparency. Some analysts also warn that these acts may serve to secure political loyalty rather than promote genuine development. Economists caution that such high-profile donations undermine confidence in economic management and fuel public suspicion about corruption and patronage networks. They argue that diverting money toward essential industries, infrastructure, and social welfare would better serve the nation than symbolic displays of generosity. As public debate grows, citizens continue to call for accountability, urging leaders to focus on sustainable development and real solutions to economic hardship. For many, the car-giving phenomenon represents deeper frustrations over governance, priorities, and the widening gap between political elites and the struggling population.
It only shows that Zimbabwe is tight. It's one of the problems that inayo as a country. But I'm glad we are touching this issue. And hopefully, Patricia, further this discussion, will come up with something. Nandiri kufunga pamamurutara muchifamba nenyaya yanko kuti we can agree kuti zviri kuitwa neZANU-PF na ED is not the right way. There could have been a different way or a better way of, making people's lives better. But that raises the questions again, kuti chii chiri kumbonyatsoitika. What pains me ndechekuti the sitting president, he had the biggest opportunity to unite Zimbabweans, to transform people's lives, but he didn't care. Even up to now, he doesn't care. Uncle, if you look, suffering irikuita vanhu vari muZimbabwe, kunyanya, including ivo vacho vanonzwa Rakashi, the people within the ZANU-PF vari kuzasi vanotambira musangano, you shed tears. Both home and away, people are suffering one way or the other. Neighboring countries, South Africa, kuno kwacho, because of this current regime iripo. But that takes me another step ekufunga kuti ndichitarisa the whole picture ndakati what exactly is happening. Inini, I would want to believe, this is my personal opinion, I would want to believe, uncle, kuti zvinhu izvo zviri spiritual. It's not normal. Utsinye wacho uri extreme, uncle. Because none of these guys are vari pamota. We all know kuti kune majeta vari kurova. But again, they had an opportunity. Even still vachita majeta avo, uncle. They had an opportunity to transform people's lives. Okay, musaitire nini ndiri kupikisai, but to change the lives of your own people. Hamusi kuzviita. Chiri kurwadza chacho ndechekuti no one is distancing themselves. Kuti no. I would rather die poor. Mambotaura mimi makati mota yako nikwa se a success kuZimbabwe. But kuro kwatiri nekumwe ne other people vanotora mota as a luxury. Yekuti kana usina chikafu anko mota inenge iri luxury. But kana une the basic needs, inotaura na Maslow hierarchy of needs yaya. Mota inenge ya maybe like vanhu vari kunana UK, mota inenge itori essential kuti udabva papoint A kuenda papoint B. But kana usina chikafu now, pane zvinofana kutanga kuti we have a decent normal life, which is kuti Zimbabwe zviri kuitwa vari kutanga kunumber 10 instead of vatange kunumber 1. Zvekuti vanhu vari kupiwa mota vanko. Firstly, the sad part of it, havasi kupiwa, these cars are not going to be serviced for free. These cars are not going to be filled in a fuel for free. It's being left kune vanhu vari kupiwa mota. Saka unobva uda kufunga manje kuti okay, so if we give the cars, what happens next? Not getting into details, kuti roads are actually very poor. The congestion, munhu esachapiwa mota, because it's not going to end today. It's going to carry on this issue. So you'd see kuti ZANU-PF iri kuita zvinhu izvi isina care, because chiri kurwadza ndechekuti in 20 years ED anenge asisipo anko, but the damage yaari kuita, tichadzoka panapa maybe kana tiri vapenyu, we'll come back here and talk, including vacho vari kupusha this, vari kuembrace this, vasingapusha back for the betterment of our lives. Tichadzoka panapa, saidha tange takudzoka panapa takukumbirana ruregerero, because what we are going to lose along the way, we are going to regret. Some of us, we're not going to forgive ourselves for letting these things happen. So hakuna chakanaka chiri kuitwa. It's not in the best interest of Zimbabweans. Ko vasina mota, mambotaura mimi kuti kune vana vari kutambudzika nko, kune each and every time we have to raise money for certain individuals. Vanenge vaona opportunity kuya pama platforms vanapa vachikumbira rubatsiro. Ko vasina, vatisiri kuziva, vasina access. Sei mubvunzo uri kuramba uchibvunzwa ndewekuti as Island, sei vasiri ku, because these guys, I would want to believe kuti vanozviziva the needs, what needs to be done in the cries of the people of Zimbabwe. Vanozvinzwisisa, vanozviziva. Vamwe vacho vari panapa vanenge vachiteerera vari kuma other listeners. Vanozviziva zviri kuchemwa vana veZimbabwe kuti dai matitiro maambulance, because mota idzi anko kuri kunoko they can get a good decent second hand maambulances are modern, but havasi kuda, hakusi kuti havazviziva, havasi kuda. Then leaves the question ekuti why do they hate Zimbabweans so much that they cannot do the simplest things? Varida kuti tifere tese kuti ivo vasare. So like I said, zvinhu izvi hazvina, because it's shocking, hazvina, haurisi rudo, but zvine the spiritual side, because utsinyi wacho uri extreme anko kuti they can't just do the simplest things zviri kudiwa nevana veZimbabwe, because mota idzi could have built, mambotaura, kana uchipiwa mota ye50k, kana ndisina imba inini, really, surely what must come first, kana une rudo neni, you have to build a house for me, you have to create employment for me, Charamba Chichamanenya is, but these guys, they don't care. And until and unless taita sober up uncle kuti vemachurch vanozviti vakatumwa truly speaking, they have to push back. Thank you for the present, but handisi kutora mota iyi vomira pachokwadi. But yazvinezvi nevatina vava, it's quite unfortunate kuti vari kutoristika their middle finger in our face kuti hapana zvamunotiita, ende zvaakuita kunge kana usina mota yeZANU-PF wakasara kumashure, which is quite sad because they're planting something in our head. The psychological, they're playing with our psychological. Yekuti unenge wakuzongoita give in, and kana mukuita give in, you're signing yourself to the needs dzavanenge. Hapana vese vave uncle is island. Their life has been taken away. Hakuna chimwe chavachaita outside ZANU-PF. They have to do. Ndosaka muri kuona pamarally they have to have, but the future iri kutorwa ndeyavo. Hakuna munhu akambovataura kuti hapana. There is another life flip of the coin yekuti in a normal country you can buy your own car, you can have a good decent life. Mota kuno kazishamisira nko ndokusiyana kwazvo. Mota is just yekubva point A to point B. You can have it as an artist. It's not an achievement. So we are in trouble yekuti zviri kuitika izvi is going to cost us a lot. Instead of these guys building the nation, vachiita zvavari kufanira kuti vaite, vari kutoita zvavo dambe nelife yevanhu, and it's quite sad. Until uncle is island, sorry, last point, we have to resist. Kana nichiti resist in any way. Vamwe vacho tiri kuenda kumachurch kune mapastors acho ari kuita dying these devils. Tichienda tichinovapa mari dzedu zvekare. We have to push back. We have to hold them accountable. Pastors uri kufamba sei? We have the chaplain Piri. Soon after anhingirikana panapo arezerwa mari, I think he had cancer, he was in hospital, go fund vakasympathize naye, tinokunza kunzwa tsitsi. What does she do the next thing? She got a car from Wicknell, and the next thing she was taking middle finger, and she was seen kurali yeZANU-PF, and asingadenga abude. Then I said, really? Ndozvinoitika kazhinji kacho kuti kana vapane kurwara pamatambudziko, they still come back to us. We have to resist this and push back. No. It's either you're on our side, kana kuti hausi on our side. Endai munodya ikoko, imimi mombotisai takadaro. So it's a quite unfortunate situation, uncle. But like I said, I see it as a spiritual side. Kune the spiritual attachment irimo, because this is not normal. This is not right.